and this morning I am tackling that rush out the door before nursery, or for my daughter now, school. When my daughter was at nursery, we had a much more gentle start to the day, and I was able to make her a lovely bowl of oats in the morning. But increasingly, as her school is now further away from us, I have to really run out of the door and also get my son fed at the same time. And I'm sure as parents you can relate to that panic where you feel a little bit like a drill sergeant screaming, go, 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 go in the morning. And the idea of slowly stirring a bowl of oats for her is lovely, but is a bit more of a reality on the weekends. So this is a recipe that I make for her during the week. It takes me literally a few minutes to prep the night before. And then she can have oats in the morning quite quickly at the table without me running around the kitchen like a maniac. And I like to try and keep the mornings really calm so that they're not in a state by the time we leave the front door, even if inside I'm feeling a bit stressed. So this is a time-saving hack if you want to include oats before a quick school run or nursery school run. And this is an amazing recipe for the whole family. It's really healthy. What we're using today is Oat Bran instead of oats. It makes a lovely, thick, dense overnight oats, and so we're going to do an Oat Bran overnight oats. We're using some dairy, so I've got some yogurt and milk. Use what variations you like. I flavour it with a little bit of coconut and also some vanilla, and then that goes into the fridge overnight to soak, and in the morning I make a very quick smoothie topping to top it with, which means that she's getting something sweet but mostly from natural sugars. So let me show you how I make it. We've made the oats, they've been in the fridge overnight, and then in the morning I just serve them straight up, and you'll see how easy this is. We are going to put a lovely little frozen raspberry topping on the top so that she's getting a boost from some fruit in the morning. I'm adding in some, one date per portion. Dates are basically sugar, but they have fibre in them too, so I'm using that to sweeten it rather than a honey or maple syrup. And I'm using a quick blender. I'm sure lots of you have these, but use whatever you have just to blitz this. And she likes to have it in this see-through cup so she can see the layers, but use whatever you like.